Hi guys, welcome to my live stream today, April 22, 2022. Uy, so puro halos 2 pala, no? Anyway, it's 7:40 p.m. Philippine time. So magandang gabi sa mga nandito sa Pilipinas, and of course magandang umaga at saka magandang tanghali sa ibang time zones. So generally, I will be using English if for the general audience, but if someone is asking in Filipino, then I might also use Filipino or Tagalog language. So anyway, let's start. So I'm gonna share first what I did for today, and then after that, let's try to look over the uh, top top currencies based on market cap, and at the same time, what's currently trending, and of course, the last one is if you have a live request. So for this stream, as much as possible, let's make it less than 30 minutes. So I started 7:40, so I might possibly end 40, 58. So around 8:10. On or before 8:10, tapos na tayo. So let me start. Oh, anyway, can you hear me? I think the sounds is there. Let me just check. So I think yesterday. Oh, it's already. Yesterday, I think I share what I did, and part of that is actually it's a closed ape. I got stopped out at ape, and then for GMT, yeah, I also got stopped out from my previous trade yesterday when I did stream, and then after that, yeah, cause my stop loss yesterday is 3.03, and it's since it went as low as 296 if I'm not mistaken, so I got stopped out. And then from that 296 I low, I actually did trade it from 3.05, and then I tip it at 3.10, and then what happened after that, and I did a scalp short, and then after that I reopened again at 3.12, and it's still currently open. So as you can see in that, so meron akong na-close na stop out, and then may mga a few scalps, and then yeah, still currently open. Why? Yeah, I think if you try to look at it, wait, let me just delete this one na ha, because normally I actually use it when I do my trades. So let me clear this up, and maybe let's try to make an analysis, a new analysis if ever we have one. But if you try to look at it, it's actually a possible flag there, and then it's like a flag, though I don't know what's the ICO price, but though more or less, yeah, let's just not consider that, but maybe on a 1 hour you can actually see that as a possible flag, a continuation. Oh yeah, and then yeah, more or less, and then for here I expect it again, a possible actually for this one it's a possible pennant that I'm possibly looking at, so diba na gano siya, it actually a breakout from that area. So if we're gonna measure that, I'll just clone it and clone and put it at basically at breakout. So more or less, I'm expecting it a possible target around 4.78. It's the possible target I'm looking at. If we try to use this fib from previous high, that's actually more or less equivalent to close to 2.618, which is $5, no? But on conservative note, I'll just use the 4.78 as my possible next target. Next target, though normally you can see me swing trades. Normally I do swing trades on 1 hour time frame. So until it reach that point, yeah, I think I'll just trade it relong, relong until it reach that area. So that's my own personal um, trading strategy over it. And as you can see, it's actually holding above this. What's the date of this? April 1 point of control, which is the 2.91. So it went low as 2.96, no? It's holding above it. So anyway, the point of control is actually 2.22 since it got listed in this exchange, March 16. So yeah, I think as long as it holds above the 2.92, retest to a previous high or all-time high of 3.85 is most likely, and then possibly breakout to that will make a new all-time high, which I'm expecting at on conservative target 4.78 to $5. The $5 is the 2.618 fib. So I think that's just it. And next next one. So after that, oh, it's already 7 minutes for that only. So cake, let's go to cake. Yeah, this is actually my entry. However, I entered at 9.10. Oh no, it's not 9.10 but 9.12. 9.12, and then I adjusted my stop loss actually to plus 10 cents from that entry price. So my stop loss is 9.22, which unfortunately got stopped out around this area. So actually you can see this one in my Telegram channel. So anyway, if I did not adjust my stop loss, supposedly my target is 9.75. So anyway, let's just see. Why I'm adjusting my stop loss? Because yeah, I think I can re-enter the market. And yeah, sometimes kasi it's part of my plan to really adjust it when it's already within the trend I'm looking at. So that at least I will minimize my possible losses. Possible losses. But of course the disadvantage is that of course when you it really hit the TP that I'm looking forward to. So anyway, so it depends on you. The next one, so it's already, I got the stop out. I just on my adjusted stop loss at 9.22. But yeah, I think it might possibly retest that previous high of 9.75, which supposedly is my possible target. As you can see, there's a break out there. So anyway, and yeah, why I entered, it's because of the doji. So normally I'm looking at the doji and engulfing as a possible entry point. So, ganun lang kasimple is I think. And then, I think I'm done with 3MT explained it a while ago. And then this one. I currently, previously I also got stopped out yesterday from my previous position. And then, I just re-entered today at 14.14. So, I'm expecting it to hit 15.60 on conservative note. That's my just um, conservative target. So 14.14, I actually can adjust it my stop loss to plus 10 cents. So yeah, I just forgot to adjust my stop loss, no. But yeah, more or less after this stream, I'll adjust my stop loss to 14.24 because currently it's at 13.72, which is around this area. So anyway, let's see how it goes. So that's a coin. So far, I think so far so good. It's actually above today's developing point of control, which is 14.20. So I think it might continue to retest the previous um yeah the previous high around 1560 on conservative note. But it can even go here around the 17 breakout, of course, to all-time high. But in conservative note, since I'm a swing trade, swing trades. It's just a swing trade, so I think on conservative, I'll go for the 15 point 60 target. Yeah, previously that's also my target, right? When I have, I think six sub accounts that I opened, 15, 60, and then 16, and then 17, 40, and then the last one is actually 20. But unfortunately, it did not yet reach 20. So that's done, and of course I have ZIL. I open it at this one, 0.11731. So currently, yeah, I'm I'm at a loss on it, and my possible TP is 13.5, 0.135. So stop loss at 0.111. So at least at the moment it's still open. So anyway, let's see how the market goes for today. So next one, we'll go over the currently trending, currently trending. Whoa, okay. Anyway, I'll just cheer it out. If I did not adjust it, my stop losses. Yeah, that's that's still even how many? Even more than almost close to 20 cents, no, from my adjusted stop loss. So anyway, I'll just cheer it out. So next, we'll try to look at what's currently no, not before that. Not that trending, but we'll also look at the volume. So if there is, so Tron is there. I think let's look at the unusual one. No? Oh, Flex Polygon and that. Let's just look 500 million up. So yeah, I think it's a usual for Chainlink, Monero. I think it's usual, and OX. I remember OX or ZRX. I think the what's it? Let's just open another one. I'll just I'll just cheer it out. Ang kulit lang eh. What's this? ZRX. ZRX. Let's use the Coinbase. Did I try to um I'll just ZRX. Oh, it even went low, no? So that's invalidated. So maybe let's try to. Oh, it need to. It's currently retesting, but it failed yesterday, no? It pulled back a bit. So anyway, let's see if that will hmm, break out, no? So possible target from that is the point of control is just 35 cents, no? And currently the developing point of control is 91 or close to 92 cents, and yeah, currently trading around 90 cents. So yeah, might pull back a bit more. So yeah, I'll try to check. Let's check on the immediate the, the immediate POC, which is this one, the previous or close to that resistance area. So that's basically around 1.07, no? The support I'm looking at, the immediate support is this previously here. I think there is might possibly, yeah, there's a confirmed bullish divergence over there. So anyway, ZRX is actually, or OX, I think what's the ZRX, yeah, ZRX ZRX. I actually bought it a few weeks, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm currently using it as collateral to my futures trade. Wait, let me just. Maybe wait. So so basically, where is it? Yeah, here. I just added before, and yeah, that's the recent additions that I have in my perpetual wallet, ZRX, as an added collateral. Why? It's because any shorts. Hmm. Currently now I don't have any shorts. Where am I? This one. Yeah, I just added it one. And then what else could we possibly look at? Currently I'm not trading BTC anyway. Um, yeah, yeah, yeah. I did trade short this one, but this is more on scalp trades. Yeah, I did a short here. However, my current position now is actually a long. That one is a scalp trade. When it's really trying hard to break this point, developing point of control. But right now, it's actually, since it's already trading above this 3.18 developing point of control, I actually have a long position now with a possible target to previous high. Conservative note this, I think 360. 360 is my immediate target. So, anyway, let's see. Ano? For that, hmm, I currently I don't have one, so I can't share. I can share something right now for shorts. Anyway, so let's move on. Yeah, as much as possible, I'll just want to make it less than 30 minutes. So after ZRX, so yeah, I think that's just it. ZRX, and then maybe let's try to look at Matic. So what happened to Matic now? I don't have it on my perpetual, no. I think I have it here. So what's yeah, I think I also forgot no to share. Yeah, I forgot to share. I also added, aside from this one, yeah, this is futures trades. Aside from that one, I currently buy FRA or Findora yesterday, after I stream. I think I posted it in my Telegram channel. Sana ba yun? Yeah, this one. I buy it at around, I think, 15 something. So I'm currently at a loss. And I already have added it on my hold coins, which is just there. So anyway, let's see. Ooh, OLT. Wow. So that's my current based on my based on what I thought. Yeah, but I think it's still incomplete, no. Anyways, so next one possibly, yeah, maybe let's try to have a Matic first, and then after Matic, let's try to check on what's on BTC. I'm not currently trading it. The last time I think is I long it, and then I get stop out at negative 500 plus ROE. 41,000 is my entry price. 41,200, and then I get stop up at $39,000. So Matic, where is it? Anyway, losses are actually part of trades. It's a breakdown, no? It's a breakdown, but despite that breakdown, there is a currently, what's this? A bullish divergence previously, no? When we have previously analyzed it. So I'm expecting a retest to 1.73 conservative note, but it can extend to even this one, the resistance trend. But of course, it depends on where the candle will try to retest that resistance trend line. But yeah, on conservative note, we'll use this one, the 1.73. So yeah, if I go long on it, I should have had gains at the moment. No, but I did not long it when I did this one. I think someone have requested it. I just don't know who is that. But anyway, so from possible 1.33, no. So maybe I already adjust my stop loss plus 10 cents from my position, from my entry price, if ever. So anyway, let's see how it goes. So I think basically this is the trend or the resistance I'm looking at. Conservative 1.73 breakout to this trend resistance. And yeah, once it hold above this trend, possibly a retest to its previous high, which is 2.92. I think for now, that's just it. Support at $1.20. So I think that's with Matic. Hmm. So anything else? It's already 22 minutes from when I started it. So what we just did is so the one that I have, and then ZRX, and then we're done with Matic, and then maybe BTC and ETH. So let's try to go over BTC now. Maybe let's try to look at the perpetual one. Hmm. Yeah, if I try to analyze it, it's really trying hard, no? Trying hard to hold. Anyway, yeah. So, however, I'll just check on the 1 hour time frame. Normally, when I do trading, it's the time frame that I'm looking into. So anyway, let me just delete it so that we can make a more or less a clearer view of it. Nothing much. Yeah, I'm just trying to look if there is divergence, but unfortunately there is none. So anyway, hmm. So currently, if I'm gonna swing trade this one, BTC, it's trending or trading above developing point of control, which is 40,453. So I think as long as it holds at that area, no, because currently it's trading also on a daily time frame within or above the support area. So as long as it's also trade, this is possibly a swing trade on me. If ever I'll trade it, possibly I should have had go long at 40,453, which is the developing point of control. So possibly TP the previous high, which is close to $43,000. So I think that's just it, and possible stop loss at this one. Or maybe since this is so weak, conservative, this 40,000. What's the low of this? 4144. So yeah, if I'm gonna trade it, yeah, as long as it holds above this 40,453, So even if I use the previous low, which is the 39,700 more or less, It's still currently attractive or meet my desired or minimum risk reward ratio of at least 3. So anyway, but yeah, I don't have any positions in BTC at the moment. So I think that is it if for swing traders. But anyway, on a longer term or medium term, so let's just remove that drawings again. And then yeah, the same one that I have plotted previously. So it's still holding within the support area. However, it's just that trying hard. It's trying hard to hold that area. But then again, as long as it hold within this area, hmm, wait, let's try to look at the volume. It's actually above the average. So yeah, I'm trying to look at that one as a support area, the 39,700 area, and the possible immediate resistance at the previous high, which is the 48,000 on a medium term analysis. However, if it break down from this 39,600, possibly the possibly within this area, though of course we'll use the immediate one pa, no? Around the 38,000 area, 37,700, break down to that to this area, which is around the $33. So anyway, let's see how this goes. But of course, if it break this out, next target is the one that I'm looking at least 56 and then the 61. However, at the moment, I think let's just focus within this 48 and the $40,000. So I think that just it. My trade within that trend. So as long as it's holding at this area, so my bias is still positively it will go up. No, so just set an alert on it. No, so that go short once it break this support area. So next one, yeah, I think that's just it as much as possible. Last one is ETH. So if you have some short requests, then please let me know because I might possibly end the stream. So Luna, if I'm not mistaken, um, 88, 9, 88 103, which is the previous high, or 103, and then possibly 119.5. That's what I remember from here. Luna, no? So 103 is the next possible resistance, and then 119.5. The immediate support at 88 or 89. O, diba? So I just remember it. Anyway, so if you're always looking into it, you might possibly memorize it or might you might have a photographic memory of that chart. So anyway, I actually don't trade Luna. But yeah, previously I did trade it, but not now. Anyway, let's go over it. So I think almost as for Ethereum, almost the same with with BTC. As long as it hold within that 2945 or close to 3000, of course positively might retest the previous high around close to 36, where the doji is there. Support 329, and break down to that, you can actually use this as a support area. So depending on where it will try to retest this one. So anyway, let's see how this goes. But currently there is a bullish divergence before that we have seen. When is that? On this area, no, more or less April 18. So just um 4 days ago. So anyway, let's see. Let's try to look at it on 1 hour time frame. No? Let me just check. So currently, it's also trading within today's developing point of control, which is 3003. So if I trade it on a swing trade, possibly I should have had go long at more or less 3003, just above the developing point of control, and then possible target the previous high, which is at the 3,180, and then support or stop loss at 2,934. However, since its risk reward ratio is 2.58, I might not possibly trade it. So that's how I trade, if ever. So anyway, if you're a long term holder, I think you just buy and hold. Like for example, I also have mine, which I showed previously. I mean a while ago. So which is currently most of it are actually coins, and yeah, and they're actually it. So far, wow. They might have OLT. The recent that I bought is this one, Pandora. This is as what I've mentioned. I'm more focused on where is it? This one, on low caps. That's quantum resistant, privacy. Of course, we need the storage or data storage, and as much as possible, it's a free less. So that's my concentration. So anyway, where is that? So yeah, this is just the recent edition. I think I have others, but yeah, this is just what I recall at the moment. So anyway, this is actually staking. This is also staking. This one is staking coming, so I might stake it. So this one I use as collateral, futures collateral. Same with the FTM. Dot I already unstake it, and I'm participating in crowd loan, and I think I might possibly participate again in Bifrost. If what's that? I have this. I have one that I'm participating in. Um, yeah, that Bifrost, Polkadot crowd loan, which have started today. If I'm not mistaken, 10, no? 10 a 10 10 UTC. So might possibly it already started. So maybe right after the stream, I'll contribute the same contributions that I have to previous crowd loans. And then Beam currently staking. Yeah, just is in my wallet. This one currently staking, and yeah, this one I just recently bought and might possibly is stake it. So I think that's it. If you don't have any more questions, then I might end this stream. So thanks guys, and happy trading everyone. Thanks. Oh, I don't have that. Okay. So yeah, it's already 34 minutes. Oh, it's more than that, 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes I'm looking at, but yeah, anyway, I'll end this stream. So since you don't have any requests at the moment, so disclaimer, trading and investing have risks, so always do your own research and trade cautiously. Bye guys, and happy trading everyone.